our team's from Stoke. Yeah, we have one new person just for the session. His name is Nowhere, and we are in intermediate, but he's in intermediate because he's not had a spot in advanced. So yeah, he is in advanced. He is supposed to be faster than me, but he isn't really faster than me. And ahead of me we have Oliver. And we also have Bertie this time, like last week.
You good?
Yeah.
Perfect. Where's Thingy today?
He's in London.
Very.
He's gone for the day, I think.
Oh, I love that. They're all sorted, darling.
You just gotta go quicker than Caleb.
Mate, good luck. Good luck, Noah. I don't think you're gonna go faster than me. What on earth? Why did my car just make that sound? I know the bumper is loose, but like, oh my god, that is so goofy. Okay, I'm gonna look in now. with that session, I guess all things come to an end, and yeah, this was only a quick video as there wasn't really much action. It was just pretty much me getting past Noah and Oliver and then just hot lapping the whole time. Yeah. Goodbye.